In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new GPG key on GitHub. This process is essential for ensuring a secure and authenticated identity when you're signing your commits. Whether you're new to GitHub or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through this step by step. First, let's get started by heading over to the GitHub dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that first. Once you're on the dashboard, draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might be a generic image or something you've customized, but you'll know it because it's your gateway to personal settings and information. Go ahead and click that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the one labeled Settings. This will direct you to a new page loaded with adjustable features and information tied to your GitHub account. Now that you're on the Settings page, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a sidebar with different categories of settings. To add a GPG key, you'll want to be under the section titled SSH and GPG keys. So go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the SSH and GPG keys section, it's time to add your new key. Look for a button that says New GPG Key and click it. You'll be taken to a form where you can input the details of your new key. Here, you'll have an opportunity to give this key a descriptive title. This is particularly useful if you plan on managing multiple keys in the future. Naming them clearly can help you keep track of which key is used for what purpose. After adding the title, paste your actual GPG key into the allotted text area. If this is your first time doing it, don't worry. Just make sure you've copied the entire key correctly from your source. Double-checking at this stage can save you troubleshooting time later. Once you've entered all the necessary information, you'll see an Add GPG Key button. Click it, and voila! You've successfully added your new key. And there you have it. You're all set. By adding this GPG key, you now have an extra layer of security and validation for your contributions on GitHub. It's a small step that makes a big difference in maintaining integrity and trust in your digital projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides and walkthroughs just like this one. Happy coding!